Hey guys, I'm so excited to read you the next Mo Willems book. The book I chose today is still about Elephant and Piggy, and the reason I chose to read you this one is because Elephant and Piggy are problem solvers in this story, just like you. In our classroom every day, we talk about ways that we can solve problems, and in this story, Elephant and Piggy have a problem to solve. And this story is called There's a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. What would you do if you had a bird on your head? Let's read to find out. There's a bird on your head. There's our end pages. I wonder how they're going to change when we get to the last page. There's a bird on your head by Mo Willems. Oh, look, they're just sitting there minding their own business, and look what's happening. Piggy. I think he scared him. Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. The birds on my head are in love. They're lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know that they're lovebirds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Oh my goodness. I think he has more than one. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news for you. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Chirp, chirp, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds in a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is where Piggy just becomes a problem solver. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? Do you think they're gonna listen? He was very kind. He said, excuse me. Let's see. No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Does Piggy look very happy? I don't know. And there are end pages, and look, one of them has pigeon in the nest. Well, as you go play today, I hope that you don't end up with a bird on your head. Y'all have a great day. Miss you guys.